Good morning students. Today we are discuss about pH. First, what is pH? It is explained by mathematically pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion, or we can say that pH is equal to pH is negative logarithm of concentration of hydronium ion. You can use both the terms, concentration of H plus ion, or you can use concentration of hydronium ion. Why we use here concentration of H plus ion? Because we know that acid are the substance when dissolved in aqueous solution they produce H plus ion, like HCl. When we dissolve HCl in aqueous solution, it produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So here H plus ion is responsible for acidic nature of solution. That's why we use concentration of H plus ion. But now we are not using H plus ion. We are using concentration of hydronium ion, because H plus ion is highly unstable. Why? H plus ion, when we write H plus ion, number of electron is 0 and number of proton is 1, so it is highly unstable. So for stability it combined with water and convert itself in hydronium ion. So most appropriate term for pH is negative logarithm of hydronium ion is called pH. And also we can say that acidic in nature is not due to the presence of H plus ion, is due to the presence of hydronium ion. So in numericals examiners you give concentration of H plus ion, it may be give you concentration of hydronium ion, is the same thing. Okay? Then we apply the formula pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion, negative logarithm of concentration of hydronium ion. So before starting the questions, when you want to attend question, you must know about logarithm. What is the logarithm? Formula of logarithm. So basically three formulas logarithm we use for here solving the questions. First, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. Second formula we use here log m to the power n is equal to n log m, and the third formula we use here log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. So when we start the numerical, you must know about the logarithm. Log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n, log m to the power n is equal to n log m, and log m into n is equal to log m plus n. Without this information you can't solve the questions. So you must know about the formula of logarithm and the values of log, like value of log base 10 1 is equal to 0, log base 10 2 is equal to 0.3010, log base 10 3 is equal to 0.0447, and as well as log base 10, log base 10 4, 5, log base 10 6, log base 10 7, log base 10 8, log base 10 9, and log base 10 10. Value of log base 10 4 is equal to 0.60, 0.69, 0.74, 0.84, log 8 is equal to 0.90, 0.95 and 1.00. So I want to say that before starting the question you must know about that formulas. Log m upon n is equal to log m minus n, log ms to power n is equal to n log m, log m into n is equal to log m plus n. Okay, and some values of log like log base 10 1 is equal to 0 is important. Okay, log base 10 is equal to 1 is important. Okay, and log is 2 and 3. At least log 2, log 3, log 4 and log 10. Log 1 and log 10. You must know about the values of these values. Okay, so now how to solve the questions. Now next point is how to discuss how we apply these formulas in numericals. So start with more simple questions, like if examiner asks you, check this. First I discuss very simple questions. ठीक है, बहुत simple से questions लेंगे अपन. First, suppose examiner ask you find out the pH of. ठीक है, question is find out pH of solution, pH of 0.002 molar HCl solution. Find out the pH of 0.2 molar HCl solution. So how to solve? The solution is this. First, what is the meaning of 0.002 molar HCl? Meaning of 0.2 molar is 2 into 10 to the minus 3. Okay, we can say that 0.002 molar HCl is mean 2 into 10 to the minus 3 molar. Yeah, I can write this. Points को आप इधर लेके जाओगे. So 2 और 10 to the minus 3, and this concentration HCl when dissociate HCl is converted in H plus minus and Cl minus ion. So if concentration is 2 into 10 to the minus 3, so concentration of H plus ion also is 2 into 10 to the minus 3. So we can say that concentration of H plus ion is here 2 into 10 to the minus 3. Now we apply formula. pH is equal to negative logarithm of log base 10 2 into 10 to the minus 3. First you see that here is equal to m into n. First we apply formula of log m into log n. This one is m and this one is n. So we know that log base 10 m into n is equal to log m plus log n. So now we can write this negative log base 10 2 plus log base 10 in 10 to the minus 3. Again open the bracket. We know that about the log 2 values, log 2 is 0.3010 plus now this one is m, this one is n, this one is m, this one is n. We know that log m raised to power n is equal to n log m. So it's come here, that one is minus 3 log base 10 10, this one. Now 0.3010, this one is minus 3, log base 10 is equal to 1, so it's 1, and now we solve this. Answer is plus 2.7. So now we can say the pH of 0.002 molar HCl solution is 2.7, and we know that pH of acid is less than 7. Answer is, we get answer is less than 7, so our answer is right. If suppose your answer is greater than 7, So definitely we solve question wrong. So their answer is 2.7. It's easy one. Now check second question. Now we discuss about second question. Suppose if examiner asks find out the pH of solution, its molarity 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar HCl. ठीक है. Suppose examiner asks about the pH of solution which have concentration 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar HCl. तो हमें solution की pH निकालनी है. So find out the pH of solution. How to solve? Let's check. See here. First try to change this figure in simplest figure. 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 means what? This point, remove this point, put 100, it's 1 by 4. We can say that this is 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. So here concentration of H plus ion is equal to 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now we apply the formula. pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. This one is negative logarithm 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. So negative, first one is m into n. So we open this bracket, log m base 10 1 upon 4 plus log base 10 to the power minus 2 m into n. Now what you see, 1 by 4 is log m upon n, and this one is log m into n. So now we can write pH is equal to negative bracket log m upon n, so log 1 minus log 4. This is open by formula of log m upon n, and second one is open by log m to the power n. Minus 2 come here, plus minus become minus. So we can write minus 2 log base 10 10. Now put all the values. Minus log 1 is 0, log 4 is equal to 0.60, minus 2 log base 10 is equal to 1. So this one is minus 0.60 bracket minus 2. ठीक है, इसको हम बाहर लेंगे तो minus 2.6. So overall is equal to plus 2.6. Now we can say that the pH of 0.25 and 10 to the power minus 2 molar solution is 2.6. So in question, first you change your just complex figure in simplest figure, then put in formula as minus log concentration H plus ion or hydronium ion, then use formula of logarithm m into n, m upon n, m plus n. ठीक है, तो m upon n is equal to m minus n, m raised power n, n log m, and m into n is log m plus log n, and then put the values of logarithm, and now we can solve the numericals. Then next question,